Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द टुडेस लेक्चर. सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग सम ऑफ दिस बेसिक सैम्पल केसेस फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट. ठीक है. सो अभी देखिए, अभी पैटर्न कैसे रहेगा वो पहले हम लोग देखते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हम जो है डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन पेपर को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. सो देखिए, आपके लिए टाइम जो रहेगा 2 आवर्स का रहेगा. दैट इज योर टाइम विल बी टोटली फॉर द 2 आवर्स एंड मैक्सिमम मार्क्स विल बी फॉर द 50. यस, मैक्सिमम मार्क्स आपको कितने मिलेंगे? 50. दैट इज 50. सो जो जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो है वो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. सो फर्स्टली प्लीज रीड द इंस्ट्रक्शंस केयरफुली. So now this question paper consists of the 21 questions in two sections. It will be 21 questions in two sections. So section A and section B. ऐसे दो sections जो है आपके question paper में जो है वो रहेंगे. Okay. So likewise we are going to solve this. ठीक है. Section A has the objective type questions and whereas the section B contains subjective type questions. सेक्शन ए में टोटली ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन रहेंगे, जैसे कि एमसीक्यूज, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर, राइट. एंड सेक्शन बी विल बी द सब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. मतलब यहाँ पर कैसे रहेगा सेक्शन बी में आपके लिए? सब्जेक्टिव टाइप मीन्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्टिव उसके आंसर जो एक्चुअल लिखने हैं. सो बट सेक्शन ए में आपको क्या करने हैं? एमसीक्यूज जो है वो टोटली सॉल्व करने हैं. सो नाउ आउट ऑफ द गिवन 16.5 is equals to, that is what, totally 21 questions. A candidate has to answer 5 plus 10, that is 15 questions. ठीक है. आपको आउट ऑफ द 21 क्वेश्चंस आपको कितने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं? दैट इज 15 क्वेश्चंस इन अलॉटेड मैक्सिमम टाइम ऑफ 2 आवर्स. ठीक है. आपको आवर्स कितने रहेंगे? देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, आपको जो IT इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी की जो रहेगा दैट विल बी 2 आवर्स मैक्सिमम यू आर गोइंग टू हैव इट. So the all questions of a particular section must be attempted in the corrected order. So the order जो है वो आप लोग क्या कीजिए? properly follow कीजिए. So likewise you are going to solve or you are going to attempt all the questions in the correct orders. So अभी देखिए, the section 1 के बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं और डिटेल में बताऊंगी. सेक्शन 1 में, सेक्शन ए में आपको किसे रहेगा? ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे आपको 24 मार्क्स के लिए. ठीक है. So this question is going to have the 5 questions. That is, this section is going to have the 5 questions, and mark allotted are mentioned against the each questions or part. So यहाँ पर there will be no any negative marking, and जो आपको लोगों को पहले instructions दिए हैं, so do as per the instructions given there. Then the section B will be the subjective type question. That will be for 26 mark. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या आपको write करना है? आपको descriptive questions जो है उसके answers यहाँ पर देने. So this question is going to have totally 16 questions. Totally questions कितने रहेंगे आपके लिए? 16 questions जो है आपके लिए यहाँ पर रहेंगे. Okay. And candidate has to do 10 questions. मतलब out of 16 आपको कितने questions solve करने हैं students? 10 questions जो है आपको solve करने हैं. And you have obviously you are going to have the all the instructions. ये instructions हैं. So please ये instructions जो है follow करें and question paper solve करने की try करें. So do as per the instructions given, and marks allotted are mentioned against each question and each part. So let us start with today's question paper. So hi friends, we will move towards the next question paper. So we will start with the section A, that is objective type questions. So question 1 is answer any 4 out of the given 6 questions based on employability skills. So 1 into 4 is equal to, it is totally 4 marks question is there. So the question number one is dash skills are essential for working in an organization. So options are A stress, B communication, C good communication, and D none of these. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is good communication. So the good communication is essential skill for working in an organization. So we'll move towards the next question. Awareness about our dash is not a kind of self-awareness. So the options are A biases, B yoga, C meditation or mediation, or lastly none of this. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is biases. Awareness about our biases is not a kind of self-awareness. So the next question is the shortcut key for printing the presentation is. It's very easy. I don't think so. You need required options. Even though you go from it Alt plus P, Control plus P, Shift plus P, and lastly Control plus A. So the correct answer is B, Control plus P. The shortcut key for printing the presentation is Control plus P. So we will move towards the next question. A Anne has a good vision towards the achievement of his goals. So the options are A entrepreneur, B self confident, C goal oriented, and D none of these. So it's very easy. Just try to find it out. So students, the correct answer is very simple. A, entrepreneur. Yes, an entrepreneur has a good vision towards the achievement of his goals. So we will move towards the next question. Dash is a word for a person, a place, a thing, or idea. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is, it is the question of the communication skills. The correct answer is noun. Noun is a word for a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. So we will move towards the next question. The sustainable forest management which were developed in Europe during the dash centuries. So the answers are A, 18th and 16th, B, 20th and 21st, then C, 17th and 18th, and lastly D, none of these. So the correct answer is 17th and 18th. The sustainable forest management which were developed in Europe during the 17th and 18th centuries. So we will move towards the next questions. That is, answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. So the questions will be like, one question will be for the 1 marks, that is 5 questions will be for the 5 marks. So first one is, which is the descriptive text aimed at helping user to identify the chart? I repeat, which is the descriptive text aimed at helping the users to identify the chart? So options are A, chart title, B, plot area, C, chart area, and D, grid lines. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is chart title. So, which is the descriptive text? The descriptive text which is aimed at helping user to identify the chart is chart title. So, we will move towards the next question. A document is a paper with written contents, and the process of preparing a document is called, and options are page break, work area, documentation, and lastly none of these. I repeat, a document is a paper with written contents, and the process of preparing a document is called, the options a page break, work area, documentation, and none of these. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is documentation. That is C, documentation. A document is a paper with written contents, and the process of preparing a document is called C, documentation. So we will move towards the next question. The processed form of data is known as A, value, B, information, C, knowledge, and D, none of these. It's very easier. Just try to recall the what is mean by the data and what is mean by the processed form of data. So the correct answer is information. The processed form of data is known as information. So the next question is, Quemana works with a variety of dash platforms. So the options are like A, blog, B, WordPress, C, hub, and lastly none of these. Vemana works with a variety of, the correct answer is block platform. Yes, Vemana works with the variety of block platforms. So correct answer is block. So we will move towards the next question. The backbone of www, that is World Wide Web, is made of files called, options are web browsers, web pages, C server, and lastly the client. So the backbone of www is made up of the files called, correct answer is web pages. Yes, web pages are anything but the backbone of the www. So the backbone of the www is made up of files called web pages. So we will move towards the next question. To insert a dash page break, select the row below where you want to insert the page break. So the options are A vertical, B rural, C horizontal, and lastly none of these. So the correct answer is horizontal. To insert a horizontal page break, select the row below where you want to insert the page break. So next one we are going to see, that is next question number 3, that is answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. ये भी questions जो है वो MCQs based हैं. You will be having totally 6 questions. Out of it you have to solve the 5 questions. Each question carries 1 mark and total marks will be 5. So the question number 1, full form of OLE is. So the options are A object linking and embed, then B object linking and embedding, C object linker and embedding, and lastly objective linking and embedding. It's very easy. So the correct answer is object linking and Embed. So full form of OLE is object linking and embedding. So we will move towards the next question. HTML. It's very easy. HTML is used to create A. Browser, B. Server, C. Web pages, and lastly, none of these. It's very easy. I don't think so you will need much more time for that. So HTML is used to create web pages. Yes, the correct answer is HTML is used to create web pages. So we will move towards the next question. Dash option allows you to edit a picture. Now my answer है. The question options are A. Edit, B. Crop, C. Paste, and D. Formats. So the correct answer is crop. Crop option allows a user to edit a picture. So we will move towards the next question. Each worksheet contains, the options are 10,48,576 rows, then 16,384 columns. Then C, both A and B, and lastly D, none of these. So time up. The total, that is each worksheet contains both A and yes, obviously B. So each worksheet contains 10 lakh 48,576 rows and as well as 16,384 columns. So we will move towards the next question. Multiple mismatching copy of the same data is known as. Options are A, data inconsistency, B, data redundancy, C, data integrity, and D, none of these. So try to find out the answer for the same. सो देखिए क्वेश्चन जो था वो डेटाबेस का था, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम टॉपिक का था एंड इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, डेटा inconsistency. Yes, multiverse mismatching copies of the same data is known as data inconsistency. So we'll move towards the next question. With most LANs cables, dash is used for their connectivity. Answers are A, PIC, C, NIC, B, NIC, C, NIP, and D, none of these. So try to find out the answer for this. So the correct answer is B, NIC. With most LAN cables, network interface cards are used, that is, it's used for their connectivity. Then next question is question number 4. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. So here will be like 1 into 5, that is total 5 marks questions. Out of 6 you have to solve any 5. Dash is a section of the document that appears at the bottom margin of a page. Answers are A, footer, B, header, C, top, and D, center. जल्दी कीजिए, बहुत ही इजी आंसर है। ट्राई टू गिव द आंसर। सो देखिए, बॉटम मार्जिन जो यहाँ पर क्या होता है, जनरली द करेक्ट आंसर इज footer is the section of the document that appears at the bottom margin of the page. Okay, so we will move towards the next question. Dash is located on the left of the formula bar. Answers are: A, formula bar; B, name box; C, active cell; and D, ruler. So the correct answer is B, name box. Yes, name box is located on the left of the formula bar. So we will move towards the next question. A and dash language is a portion of DM, that is data manipulation language, involving information retrieval only. And options are: A, DCL; B, TCL; C, query; and lastly, none of these. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is and query. Yes, and query language is a portion of DML, that is data manipulation language, involving information retrieval only. So we will move towards the next question. Internet security prevents attacks targeted at: A, browsers; B, operating system; C, network; and D, all of these. So your time starts now. Try to give the answer. So the correct answer is internet security prevents attacks targeted at all of these. देखिए, इंटरनेट सिक्योरिटी जो है वो क्या करती है, आपके ब्राउजर्स को, आपके ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को और आपके नेटवर्क को भी अटैक से प्रिवेंट कर सकती है. सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑल ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, सो विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A field or a set of fields that uniquely identify each record in a table is known as a dash. Answers are, that is options are A, primary key, B, alternate key, C, candidate key, and lastly D, foreign key. So जल्दी से इसका आंसर जो है निकालिए. बहुत ही इजी आंसर है. A field or a set of fields that uniquely identify each record in a table is known as, the correct answer is primary key. Yes, a field or set of fields that uniquely identify each record in a table is known as a primary key. Okay, so we will move towards the next question. Dash are web-based instant messaging software. The options are A, WeChat, B, Skype, C, Viber and D, all of these. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. आप लोग सब इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग जो है वो यूज करते हैं. So you will know the better idea about it. So the correct answer is obviously all of these. Yes, WeChat, Skype, Viber, ये सारे जो है यार वेब बेस्ड इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग सॉफ्टवेयर से. So the correct answer is all of these. 5. Answer the question number 5, that is answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. ठीक है, so answer question number 1. यहाँ पर भी same pattern है. There will be 5 marks for all the questions. That is, one question is going to carry 1 mark. That is, total 5 marks will be there. So dash displays worksheet as they would appear if you printed them out. So the options are layout, B, page layout, C, page break and D, none of these. So jaldi kijiye, time is running out, and give the correct answer. So the correct answer is page layout. So page layout displays worksheets as they would appear if you printed them on out. So we will move towards the next questions. The question number 2 of the last question, that is alignments buttons are available on the dash tab. कौन से टैब पर alignments button जो है अवेलेबल होती है? So options are A, home, B, insert, C, format and D, file. Yes, time up. The correct answer is home. So alignment buttons जो होते हैं, these are generally available on the home tab. So the Next question is, out of the following, which one is the most appropriate data field in context of employee table, if only one of these is required? Firstly, age in years, then option B is date of birth, C age in days, and D age in months. थोड़ा सा सोचिए, थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है, बट बहुत ही इजी आंसर है. Yes, the correct answer is date of birth. ठीक है, out of the given options, the date of birth is the most appropriate data field in context of the employee table, if only one of these is required. देखिए, डेट ऑफ बर्थ में क्या होता है, ऑटोमेटिकली आपको एज इन ईयर्स भी मिल जाता है, देन एज इन डेज विल बी अवेलेबल एंड एज इन मंथ्स विल बी देयर. बेस्ड ऑन द डेट ऑफ बर्थ ये आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, ये बाकी जो कंटेंट्स है और बाकी के जो वैल्यूज है वो इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. Then we will move towards the next question. The main advantage of circuit switching is dash. The options are A delivery, B guaranteed delivery, C power bank, and lastly D none of these. Yes, time is running. Just give the quick answer. The main advantage of circuit switching is, the correct answer is B, that is guaranteed delivery. ठीक है, सर्किट स्विचिंग जो है वो क्या करता है, आपको गारंटेड डिलीवरी देता है, सो दैट योर डेटा विल बी मूविंग इन द वेरी वेरी फास्ट स्पीड. तो जितनी ज्यादा स्पीड से आपका डेटा जो है वो फॉरवर्ड होगा, उतनी ही जल्दी आपको क्या होगा, रिसीवर को जो डेटा है वो रिसीव. Then we will move towards the next question. The contents of a cell can be changed by pressing dash key on a keyboard. Answers are A F5, B F3, C F2, and lastly D none of these. The contents of a cell can be changed by pressing which key on a keyboard? So the contents of a cell can be changed by pressing. The correct answer is F5 key on a keyboard. F5 की प्रेस करने से आपको लोग क्या कर सकते हो, वो सेल का जो कंटेंट है वो चेंज कर सकते हो. And the last question of today's session is, man provides communication services up to A 100 meter, B 100 kilometer, C 10 kilometer, and lastly D none of these. सोचिए, थोड़ा सा सोचिए. Man, that is metropolitan area network, provides communication services up to yes. थोड़ा सा सोचिए, बहुत ही आसान है. The correct answer is B 100 किलोमीटर. देखिए, मैन जो होता है मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क होता है, मतलब क्या, एक सिटी के अंदर या फिर एक टाउन के अंदर जो नेटवर्क होता है उसको मैन कहते हैं. सो इसकी रेंज होती है, इसकी जो कम्युनिकेशन सर्विसेज होती है, दैट इज अप टू दी 100 kilometers. So students, that's all for today's lecture. We will continue with the next question paper in the next session. Till then, bye. So friends, at the end of the session, let me tell you about the offers for both iconic and plus subscribers. जी हाँ, हमारी जो ऑफर है आइकॉनिक और प्लस सब्सक्राइबर के लिए, इट इज गोइंग टू एंड ऑन 31st July 2021 Saturday. So देर किस बात के, लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट दी मेगा ऑफर्स, एक्साइटिंग मेगा ऑफर्स फॉर CBSE क्लासेस फ्रॉम क्लास 6 टू क्लास 10. देखिए ऑफर जो है ऐसी है, सपोज आपके पास CBSE का सब्सक्रिप्शन है फॉर लाइक 12, 15 and 18 months, then you are going to get the free CBSE सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर 2 months. yes, totally. अगर आपके पास CBSE का सब्सक्रिप्शन है that is for 24, 36 and 48 months, then you are going to get the free CBSE subscription for 4 months. And if you are going to have the 60, 72 and 84 months CBSE subscription, then you are going to get the totally 6 months free CBSE subscription. So there की बात की है students, just please enroll for that. And yes, obviously if you are having the Creative Corner subscription for the 12, 15 and 18 months, so आपको 2 months का subscription जो है वो totally free मिलेगा. And if you are having the subscription for the 24, 36 and 48 months for Creative Corner subscription, then you are going to get the totally 4 months free subscription. So likewise, if you are having the subscription for 60, 72 and 84 months for Creative Corner subscription, then you are going to get totally 6 months, obviously totally free subscription for Creative Corner subscriptions. So student, if you are excited for the दिस मेगा ऑफर्स, तो जल्दी से जल्दी जो है आपका आइकॉनिक और प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो एनरोल कीजिए. यस, ऑफर इज गोइंग टू एंड ऑन 31st July 2021. सो प्लीज नोट डाउन द डेट एंड subscribe to our Unacademy iconic as well as the plus subscription. So as including that, you are going to get the flat 10% discount on purchasing plus subscription for all duration. अगर आप लोग कोई भी plus subscription लोगे तो उसके लिए आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा फॉर ऑल ड्यूरेशंस. So friends, let me tell you about the CBSE latest guidelines, and these guidelines are live on Unacademy. Yes, so our new batches are going to start from the 19th July for CBSE classes 9 and class 10. So देखिए बैच जो है, this will be totally dedicated to the term 1. And yes, obviously your term 1 is going to end in the 3 months. So term 1 is very much near. And yes, our new CBSE guidelines are totally followed while we are designing our courses. So our courses are completely aligned with the new CBSE guidelines. Yes, obviously, and all subjects are included in this CBSE latest syllabus also. Yes, obviously, the term is going to have the same, that is we are going to have Hindi as well as English language as the mode of delivery. So हमारी जो language रहेगी वो हिंदी भी रहेगी और English भी रहेगी. So you can have as per your convenience and as per your requirements. So देर किस बात की students, so just try to enroll for these things so that you will have the more benefits for the Unacademy plus as well as iconic subscriptions. So let me tell you about the mega launch Mondays. Yes, अभी हर महीने की तरह इसमें आने वाले महीने, that is for the August month is also we are having the mega launch Mondays. So we are going to have the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises. And yes, obviously it is going to start from the 2nd August 2020. जी हाँ, 2 अगस्त 2021 को जो है हमारी न्यू बैचेस स्टार्ट होने वाली है फॉर डाउट क्लियरिंग एंड NCERT exercises. So ये क्लासेस जो रहेंगे CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए रहेंगे. For term 1, we are going to focus on the batches like math, science, English, Hindi and SST. So यहाँ पर भी हम आपको क्या रहेगा, डेडिकेटेड टीचर्स रहेंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स इंक्लूडेड एंड द डेट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 2nd August 2020. So note down this yet and enroll for the mega launch Mondays. And obviously we are going to have the Unacademy batches. हमारे जो batches है, our new batches are going to start on every Monday. So there are some challenges batches also. They are going to start on the 2nd August 2021. So in the previous slide I have told you about the class 10. So let me tell you about the class 9 also. So देखिए क्लास 9 के challenges basis रहेंगे. The subjects which are going to be included are like the maths is there, science is there, English is there, Hindi is there, and SST, that is social sciences, are also included in our new unacademy batches. So हमारे batches जो the new batches are going to start on the every Monday, and we are going to have the expert teachers regarding that particular subjects also. So for class 9 and class 10th, we are going to have the new batches for on every Monday and mega launch. That's why it is called mega launch Mondays. So students, let me tell you about the Unacademy Plus as well as Iconic subscription. देखिए आपको दो टाइप के सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेंगे. Let me tell you firstly about the plus subscription. Plus subscription क्या है देखिए. The plus subscription is basic plan to get started. Yes. So plus subscription में अगर आप लोग जाएंगे तो आपको क्या बोलेगा, इन एज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स विल बी इंक्लूडेड देयर, देन वी आर गोइंग टू हैव द इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस. आपकी क्लासेस जो इंटरैक्टिव लाइव रहेंगी. उसके बाद वी आर गोइंग टू हैव द लाइव टेस्ट्स एंड लाइव क्विजेस आल्सो, जैसे कि प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में भी हम लोगों ने लिए थे. एंड यस, आवर कोर्स विल बी टोटल स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेस एंड पीडीएफ. सो notes regarding that particular subject will be also provided for the students. So these are all the benefits of the plus subscription. So likewise we are going to have the iconic subscription. देखिए iconic subscription में क्या कर सकते हैं, you are going to take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. जी हाँ, यहाँ पर आपके लिए एक personal mentor रहेगा. So iconic subscription में भी क्या रहेंगी, plus subscription की सारी चीजें रहेंगी, जैसे India's best educator, then interactive live classes, then live tests and quizzes, then structured courses and PDFs will be there. So iconic में एक एडवांटेज क्या रहेगा, यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द पर्सनल मेंटर. यस, आपके लिए खुद का एक पर्सनल मेंटर रहेगा. देन यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस. आपके डाउट्स जो है उसके लिए लाइव सॉल्यूशंस आप लोगों को मिलेंगे. देन नेक्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द पेरेंट कनेक्ट. Yes, obviously the students parent connection and parent teacher connection will be there, so that the parent will have the more idea about your progress. And obviously you are going to get the study planner also. यहाँ पर आपको आपके लिए खुद का एक स्टडी प्लानर जो है वो मिल जाएगा. सो ये सारे जो क्या है प्लस एंड आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शंस के बेनिफिट्स है. सो इसके साथ साथ मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द क्लास 9, 10th, 11th, 12th सब्सक्रिप्शन, एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग टू हैव क्लास 10th, क्लास 11th एंड 12th सब्सक्रिप्शन, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या रहेगा और बेनिफिट क्या है. देखिए पहले लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट द क्लास 9, 10th, 11th एंड 12th सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर प्लस. ठीक है, अभी प्लस के लिए आपको देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन कैसे रहेंगे. फॉर 3 months यू आर गोइंग टू हैव the 2,500 per month, that is totally 7,500 for 3 months. Then for 6 months you are going to have the 10,000 for total 6 months, that is 1,667 for per month. And yes, obviously you are going to get the 33% off, that is 30% discount also. Now if you are going for the 12-month subscription, you are going to get the 50% off, and you are going to have 1,250 per month obviously, and you are going to have the total package of 15,000. जी हाँ, 15,000 का जो है पूरा पैकेज रहेगा. वैसे if you are going for the 15-month subscription, you are going to get totally 1,200 for per month with 18,000 for total 15 months on 52% off discount. If you are going for the 18 months, you are going to get the 56% off with 1,111 rupees per month and 20,000 rupees for totally 18 months. So likewise, if you are going for the 24 months, then you are going to have the 1,042 for per month, and you are going to have the 25,000 for totally 24 months. Now if you are going for the 36 months, you are going to get the 64% off on 889 per month and 32,000 for totally 36 months. Now if you are going for the 48 months, then you are going to have the 833 per month and 40,000 for totally 48 months. So जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे उतना आपको क्या मिलेगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट जो है वो मिलेगा. सो अगर आप लोगों को आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, क्लास 9, 10th, 11th एंड 12th के लिए क्लास आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, तो आपके लिए पैकेजेस कैसे रहेगी? देखिए, पहले की तरह 3 मंथ्स रहेगा, 4,000 per month and 12,000 for totally 3 months. Now, if you are going for 6 months, you are going to get the 29% off and 17,000 for 6 months and 2,833 for per month. Likewise, if you are going for the 12 months, you are going to get the 42% off discount and you are going to have the 2,333 for per month and 28,000 for totally 12 months. Now, if you are going for the 15 months, then you are going to get the totally 47% discount. And yes, obviously you are going to have the 2,133 per month with the 32,000 for 15 months totally. Now, if you are going for the 18 months, you will get the totally 1,944 for per month with 51% discount and 35,000 for totally 18 months. So, if you go for the 24 months, you will get the 48,000 total whole package with the 2,000 per month on 50% discount. Then if you are going for the 36 months, then you will have the package of 66,000 with 1,833 per month. And if you are lastly going for the 48 months, then you are going to have the total package of the 83,000 with 1,729 per month. That is totally 57%. So based on your choices, you can take your subscriptions also. So जितना आप ज़्यादा सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे उतने आपको डिस्काउंट जो है वो ज़्यादा मिलता जाएगा. So the next one, let me tell you about the class 10th, 11th and 12th subscription for both the Plus as well as the Iconic. देखिए, आइकनिक आपको लोगों को पता चला होगा वो जो कि है प्लस का थोड़ा सा एडवांस्ड है. सो आइकनिक के लिए और प्लस के लिए हमारे पास 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 24 एंड 36 मंथ्स के सब्सक्रिप्शन है. सो लाइकवाइज जो है आइकनिक के भी रहेंगे 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 24 and 36 months. Now, if you are going for the 3-month subscription for Plus, you are going to have the 7,500 for whole 3 months with 2,500 for per month. If you are going for 6 months, then you are going to have the 10,000 for total package and 1,667 per month with 31% off. If you are going for 12 months, you are going to have the 15,000 package and 1,215 per month with 50% off. If you are going for 15 months, you are going to get the 18,000 for the whole package and you are going to have the 1,200 per month with 52% off. If you are going for the 18 months, you are going to have the 20,000 package for the 18 months with 1,111 for per month. If you are going for 24 months, you will get the 25,000 package for all months and 1,042 package for the per month. If you are going for 36 months, you are going to have the package for 32,000 with the 889 per month. So आपको डिस्काउंट जो है वो 64% ऑफ मिलेगा. So likewise for Iconic, if you are going for 3 months, you will get the 12,000 as well as you are going to get the 4,000 for per month. If you are going for 6 months for Iconic, you will get the 17,000 package with 2,830. If you are going for 12 months, then you are going to have the 28,000 for the whole package with 2,333 per month. If you are going for 15 months, you will get 32,000 for whole the package and you will get the 2,133 package per month with 47% off. If you go for 18 months, you will get the 35,000 whole package and 1,944 per month. Now, if you go for 24 months, you will have the 48,000 for whole package with 2,000 per month. And if you are going for 36 months, you will get the 66,000 for whole the package and 1,833 for per month with 54% ऑफ. जितना आप ज़्यादा लोगे उतना आपको क्या मिलेगा, सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है एडवांटेज जो है ज़्यादा मिलेगा. सो बेस्ड ऑन योर चॉइस यू कैन हैव द सब्सक्रिप्शंस. So let me tell you about the upcoming Unacademy Combat. So you can win the scholarships worth the most challenging battle to level up preparation and practice for class 9th and class 10th. And obviously it is the पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आपको क्या मिलेगा, अच्छे प्राइज मिलेंगे. प्राइज वर्थ ₹up to the 1 crore. ऑब्वियसली इससे भी पहले एक दो ऑलरेडी कम बैक हम लोगों ने ले चुके हैं हम बैक, एंड दैट इज वेरी वेरी सक्सेसफुल. So इसका पैटर्न कैसे लगा दे, look, you will be having the 30 questions for the 45 minutes. The test will be in the both, that is Hindi as well as English language. आपकी जो टेस्ट है, आप लोग फ्री लाइव टेस्ट ऑन एंड्रॉयड, आपके पास एंड्रॉयड ऐप भी होगा, आपके पास एंड्रॉयड मोबाइल भी होगा तो भी चलेगा. अगर आपके पास एप्पल है वो भी चलेगा. देन इफ यू आर हैविंग योर ओन लैपटॉप देन नो प्रॉब्लम. सो ये कॉम्बैक जो है इट विल बी ऑन दी 1 August and you can enroll in the description given below the our videos. And yes, obviously it will be for the classes class 9th and class 10 at 11 a.m. Date लिख लीजिए 1 August 2021. So you are going to have the plus 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Unacademy subscription. So you can use my code, that is DDLive, for the 10% off. And yes, obviously download the Unacademy app now and try all these features for free. And you can use my code, that is TDLive, and get it on the Google Play as well as you can download from the Apple Store. So that's all for today's lecture by Unacademy. Let's go.